AI can do almost everything today. It can write, it can draw, it can talk. But now it can build entire websites and apps for you from a single prompt. No coding, no complex APIs, no expensive softwares, and absolutely no developers bill running into thousands of dollars. You don't have to wait weeks for someone to build your dream site. You don't need to understand HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. All you need is one simple sentence. Tell the AI what you want, like create a modern website for my business, and it does the rest. Design, layout, pages, contact form, hosting, everything. Yes, the future of web development is here, and it's called Bolt AI. So if you have ever wished you could make your own website or launch your own app completely free and in minutes, stay with me, because today we are going to see how Bolt AI can turn one small prompt into fully functional professional website. So what exactly is Bolt AI? It's an AI that turns your ideas into working website or web apps instantly. Because when technology gets out of your way, your ideas can finally flow. Let's see how it actually works. We will build a complete website for a digital marketing expert from start to finish using only Bolt AI. Imagine this, you are a marketing consultant who helps business grow through SEO, social media, and ads. You need a personal website to showcase your services, your case studies, and your contact details. Something that looks professional, feels modern, and works perfectly on mobile and desktop. Normally, that would take days and even weeks to build. With Bolt, it takes just a few minutes. You just need to open Bolt.new in your browser. It welcomes you with a simple blank canvas and one input box that says, describe what you want to build. So you type, create a professional website for a digital marketing expert. It should include a home page, about page, service page, portfolio, and the contact page. Now you have just given the prompt, and now press the Build Now button here. And within a second, Bolt begins building your website. Meanwhile, it builds a website. Let me show you the features of it. This is the preview area where you can actually see your website being built in real time. On other side, you will see the code editor. Even though Bolt write the code for you automatically, you can still open it, edit it, or modify it however you want. If you know a bit of coding, you can adjust layout, colors, or animation right here. Now, inside the setting panel, you get everything you need to manage your website. The analytics section helps you to track visitors and website performance. Then you have database where you can create tables, manage data, and even connect forms from your site. There is the authentication for login system, the file storage for your images and uploads, and the backups to keep your work safe. So everything from design, code, hosting to data is managed inside one simple platform. Now, you can see the pages of our website. You see the structures appears, a clean home page, a top navigation bar, all pages are already linked. The hero section appears with a bold headline. You get a section for services, a space for testimonial, and a beautiful contact form. You didn't design it, you didn't code it, you just described it. Bolt understands your vision and made it real. Inside the Bolt editor, you can now explore your entire website. You can open each page, home, about, service, portfolio, contact, and everything ready to customize. You can just chat with the Bolt and it will modify your website as you want. It's super simple. Also, you can replace stock images with your own brand photos, tweak colors to match your logo, and watch the design update live. Bolt automatically handles the technical parts too. It sets up your navigation links, contact form logics, and responsive design for mobile users also. Under the hood, it's writing real production ground code, usually React or Next.js for the front end, and a working back end for handling submissions or databases. But you don't have to see or touch any of it unless you want to. You focus on your content, creativity, and Bolt handles everything else. So our digital marketing expert website is coming together beautifully. The homepage introduces your brand, The About page tells your story, how you started, your experience, your mission to help businesses grow online. The Service page highlights what you offer: SEO, paid advertisement, content marketing, and social media strategies. Each service section is neat, simple, and actionable. Then there is the Portfolio page where you show off your success stories. Bolt lets you add case studies with images, results, and testimonials. Everything is dynamic. You can add, remove sections by simply telling Bolt what you want. And finally, the Contact page where visitors can send message, book consultation, or connect through social media. The form is fully functionable from the start to end. You don't have to touch a single line of code. Now, maybe if you want to add something extra, like testimonials from client or a newsletter sign-up form at the bottom, you just tell Bolt, add a testimonial section with 3 client reviews below the hero section, or add a newsletter sign-up box in the footer, and in seconds it will be there. You can even ask Bolt to adjust layout. For example, make the hero image full width with bold text overlay. It understands your natural language commands and edit the site live. Every change feels like a conversation. It's almost like an AI designer sitting beside you, instantly doing what you say. Once you are happy with your design, it's time to publish it. In most tools, this is where the headache begins: finding hosting, linking domains, setting up the servers. But with Bolt, deployment is built in and super easy. You just click public button here and choose free subdomain or connect your custom domain, and that's it. Right now I'm choosing the subdomain, free subdomain of the Bolt itself, and your website is live in seconds. Here our website is live. You can see the subdomain of Bolt AI. You can send your link to your clients, share it on social media, or even install analytic tools directly. From idea to live working website, all done in less than time it takes to finish a cup of coffee. Now, what makes Bolt so special isn't just of speed, it's the freedom. It's give creative freelancers, consultants, and some small businesses the power to bring their idea online without needing the technical help. You don't have to wait for a developer. You don't have to pay hundreds of dollars for setup. You don't have to waste your time figuring out hosting and frameworks. You simply imagine it and Bolt build it. It's that simple. Even if you are a professional developer, Bolt AI is still a game changer. You can use it to prototype fast, then jump into the generated code to fine-tune it. It accelerates your workflows and frees you from repetitive setup tasks. Okay, so that's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.